I do not believe that talent can only be based on physical attributes. There's more things that makes a person talented. So I believe that talent is acquired through time and not through genetics alone. Malcolm Gladwell wrote a book called Outliers, where he sort of discusses and tells these stories about how certain people or certain products or certain businesses or creators like I am become very, very popular, how they become an outlier in their industry, right? And a section of the book is dedicated to talent. And I agree 100% with what he says in that book. He says that to become talented, to become an elite professional athlete, there's 6 things that you have to have, that you need to have to become talented. So number 1 is physical attributes, your genetic makeup. Somebody that is young and they are bigger and they are taller are going to be faster and stronger than the other kids. And unfortunately, those kids will be identified as talented. And in South Africa or other countries where they are in a very popular sport, a very dominated sport in that country, the development structures of that sport will be so advanced, and so those students will immediately receive better coaching, better opportunities. They will move forward a lot quicker and a lot faster than the other students that's not identified as talented. The second factor that has to be present for you to become a talented athlete is opportunities, favorable opportunities. Okay, you can be as genetically suited to a sport as you want to, but if you don't have the opportunities, and when I talk about opportunities, I mean money, I mean equipment, I mean coaching, I mean parents that are willing to take you to places, to drive you to places, to stay with you at competitions, to take you to competitions. A lot of children at a young age, they don't have those opportunities. They don't have the money and the equipment and the parent support to become a professional athlete. Also, like the correct coaches that are supportive, coaches that believe in you. Like, you might believe that you are big enough, good enough, you might be good enough, but those coaches might not see it. And then you're screwed. All right, so opportunities needs to be there. If there's no opportunity, you're not going to become a professional athlete.